I think that we need to name my craft channel what? Okay, that's gonna have to do for right now.
It's so bad. Just
Is
redo it.
Is it?
It's terrible.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Crafty Queen Bee here with another quick and easy party favor idea or fun gift idea for you. Let's get to crafting. All right friends, for this craft you're going to need a mason jar. You're going to need a chocolate bunny, and I picked this bunny up from Dollar General. You're going to need a piece of scrapbook paper, a pencil, scissors, some ribbon of your choice. You're going to need some jelly beans and some Easter grass. Okay friends, this is not hard at all and it doesn't take long. The first thing we need to do is let's get our bunny out of the package. Now, if I was making these for a gift for someone, I would have gloves on. But I'm just going to share this one with you, so
you get all the germs.
so we get all the germs. This is going to be my sample. Okay, friends. And this jar is a little bit taller than this one. This one's from the Dollar Tree, and I believe this one's from Dollar General, but they'll still work. All right, well, okay, let's go ahead and first thing I did was put some bunny grass in there. Since it's taller, I'm gonna put a little bit more grass in it. And you have to be careful, friends, because I had picked up some bunnies from Dollar General that were so cute and pretty, but they were too wide for the jar. Oh, there's too many yellow ones there. And you can use M&Ms, you can use Starburst, you can use just whatever kind of candy you want to make this work for you. But this is such a cute little idea. Okay, that looks straight right there. Okay, so I went ahead and painted this part of the lid with white chalk paint. Wasn't hard to do, just did it and had it ready for viewing's sake. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the inner part of the lid and trace the circle onto my scrapbook page. I'm going to cut it out right quick. And it doesn't have to be perfect because the outer layer is going to be covered up. And normally what I would use here to put this on the lid would be my double-sided tape, and I have some, but guess what? Could I find it? No, of course not. So I'm just going to use hot glue. And I chose this pattern because it looks like a decorated egg. Okay, then you're going to put it on there. Put your lid on. Oh, friends, you know how excited I get let's put a bow on this guy and finish him off. So quick and easy to do. And all I'm going to do is make like a little, like I was tying a shoelace. Might have cut it too short, but I'm going to make it work.
This brings us to our next segue. How do you tie your shoelaces? Because you taught me to tie them like that when I was a kid, and I had a bunch of friends that were like, why do you tie your shoes so
I know
weird?
2 bunny ears is what people use. I never was taught that method. Well, folks, it's so fast and easy if you cut it the right length. Oops. Don't you just love it? Oh, there we go.
Not all bows are created equal.
Okay, that's going to have to do for right now.
It's so bad. Just
Is
redo it.
Is it?
It's terrible.
Eric says he hates bows because they take me forever.
They eat up so much time in the videos, but this one was worth it, I guess.
Oh my gosh, Eric, you're too funny. Can you tell the apple doesn't fall too far from the tree?
Ugh, now I'm trying not to shake the camera.
Was it that bad? It was bad.
I'm going to try and keep it PG here.
Oh my gosh. Okay, friends, let's try this again. I'm having a hard time getting a grip of it. I don't know why. I don't know. Okay, let's start all over here. Maybe that's the problem. Don't have it.
I'm starting to question if you have any shoes with laces on them anymore.
No, the Velcro.
Yeah.
That's when you know you're getting old.
I was about to say, you've got a closet full of Skechers.
All right, this is much better. My problem is I cannot see it. Eric.
I was just going to turn the camera off and you can switch the jars over.
Oh, come on. That wouldn't be fair.
Through the power of editing.
Thank you. Okay, friends. This is cute. Either way, you cannot go wrong. I know another lady friend that has a YouTube channel. She says, oh, bows give me a hard time on camera. And I know the feeling, friend. Alrighty, let's get this one straight. It doesn't have to be straight, Eric. It can just look pretty.
Not gonna lie, these chocolate bunnies kind of creep me out. They remind me of the Donnie Darko bunny.
Donnie Darko, I don't know what that is. Did I miss out on that?
Probably.
Donnie Darko.
It's a good movie, but...
I'm not going to show you what I did there. Okay. Oh, friends, he's so cute. Doesn't matter if my bow's not straight. Yours will be. Let me go ahead and trim this up some more. I don't like the way that looks. You know, any one of my friends would not care that the bow is not perfect. Look how cute that is.
That's the Donnie Darko bunny.
Oh my gosh, that looks scary. That looks really scary. Okay, friends, let's go ahead and I'm gonna have a bonus craft for you. Isn't that cute? Look at that, Eric. Friends, wouldn't you just love to get one of these as a gift or have one waiting for you on a table? Okay, I'm going to share this really quick project with you, and it does involve another bow right quick. Friends, guess what I discovered through another friend? You can have, all it takes is a white candle from Dollar Tree. I may or may not use this flower, we'll see. Ribbon for your bow, and window clings of your choice. And let's say you need a last minute gift, or you want to have some, maybe just some little party favors for your company for Easter. How fun would this be to have these ready as gifts, or to decorate your table or counter with?
It doesn't get any easier than that right there.
No, it doesn't. And you know what? Even if you have it, make one for yourself, friends, you can always save this and take this decoration off and use the next season's. Except the Dollar Tree clings, I notice, are hard to remove sometimes.
It's like, man, you got the in-laws coming into town for Easter holidays.
I need a little something.
You got that one mother-in-law that you really can't stand.
Oh, don't say that.
No, I love mine, but I'm just saying, I got a lot of friends who have nightmare mother-in-laws, so it's just like,
That's not nice.
There's a monster everywhere, okay?
It doesn't have to be a mother-in-law.
Wait, you're not going to give one of these to a father-in-law, I don't think.
Oh my gosh. Eric. But yeah, you've got a point. You need one for, you need to put a smile on somebody's face. Good gosh. Go get a candle. Oh.
The conversation started off better in my head. Should have left it there.
Okay, let me show you what I'm going to do since I've been having a hard time with bows. I'm just going to go like this and like this, and I don't have enough. Give me a second, Eric. I'll be right back.
What?
I should have grabbed my big roll. Should have grabbed my big roll of ribbon. All right, this is how fast I'm going to make this little bow. I'm just going to scrunch it in the middle.
Did you do your old two-loop system?
No, no, I'm getting off of that one. I'm just going to put...
But it's two loops on each side.
What about it?
Yeah, you made this in the past video, right?
No, I don't think I've ever made this one before.
Yeah, when you made the last bow video, I think that's how you did it.
I don't remember.
I don't know.
I don't remember.
I'll let your viewers be the one to tell us. I don't remember either.
Okay, friends, it's going to be okay. Oh, that doesn't work. Look at that. It's going to be cute. One of the tails is going to be up and one is going to be down.
We should change the name of your craft channel to I Struggle with Crafts.
Only on camera.
Only on camera.
Usually when I'm crafting by myself, I have my loud music on and I'm just singing away and I'm just having a good old time. Okay, friends, this is what I'm going to do. Let's get some. Trying to make this fast here. This is going to be so cute. I could see it with a little tag, a little Easter tag that says, "Somebody loves you," or something sweet and nice like that. Now I'm going to put the glue on the bow. And that is hot. Oh, friends, look how cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And I think I am going to use the flower. Let me see if I use these the right way, I can cut it. There you go.
Did you get you some new cutters?
Yes, your dad did.
I was gonna say, those don't look like the old crusty 40-year-old set that he has that you always use.
Your dad did. He got me some new cutters. He felt sorry for me. Struggling. Oh, friends, look at that. Friend, a gift, a decoration, $1 candle, $1 cling. Everybody has ribbon and florals in your craft stash. If not, that's another $1 or $2. But think about it. Is that not cute? Oh, I want to make some for all my friends. I can't wait to go back to the Dollar Tree. I'm excited. And friends, I wanted to tell you something else. This is so easy to remove. Just get your blow dryer after it and remove it, and then just wipe it down with some Goo Gone from the Dollar Tree. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know that things get kind of crazy, but look how cute, fast and easy you can create.
Cute and chaotic would be another good channel name.
Cute and chaotic item. I think that we need to name my craft channel, what? Chaotic crafting?
I was waiting for you to tell me. What?
I thought you were going to say chaotic crafting.
Yeah, chaotic
crafting.
Fun,
chaotic crafting, because things don't always go right on camera for me. But look, friends, that bow wasn't bad after all. I don't know what you were so worried about, Eric, giving me a hard time.
You literally just pulled a switcheroo.
What did I do?
You switched them out for the better bow.
No. This is the one I made on camera.
Oh.
Remember, this is a smaller jar.
Oh, okay.
It wouldn't be fair.
Okay.
I want
you're trying to pull a fast one in front of us
show
all.
what I made today. And look, friends, isn't that cute? That little piece of scrapbook paper looks perfect on the top. There you have it. Fix you some little tags that say somebody loves you, or welcome, or love you, friend, because I love all my friends. Friends, if you haven't subscribed and want to subscribe to my Chaotic Crafting channel, please be sure and do so. I love you already. It's always crazy around here. You never know what to expect or what will happen. But guess what? God is good, and I love you. Thank you. I appreciate all my viewers.